Have you ever been fired from a company? Let me tell you something. Yeah, you see in that year 2017. Yeah, in the year 2017, I got fired from like 5-6 jobs, back to back, back to back, back to back. Just getting fired. But why did I get fired? Oh, just reckless. You can't chat to me. Yeah. I remember there was one job, I took the job. So there's this company called Axis, AXIS. And yeah, one of the coordinators that dish out the work. Go here, go there, go here, go there. Randomly, I was at one Things Yard that I was checking back in the day. I'm sitting down in her living room on my lunch break, because man used to work around her area and that, in her borough. Sitting down in her living room, I get a phone call. It's the office calling me, yeah? Boom. Don't put my government name in the chat, man. So anyway, yeah, I get a phone call from the office. This random girl was like, "What time are you gonna be off your lunch? What time are you finishing lunch?" I'm like, "Who the fuck are you talking to?" But I went mad. Who are you chatting to? But don't chat to me like that. Anyway, one of the managers must have seen the look on her face. I don't know. He must have stepped in to try and play Captain Saber or blah blah. I mean, who the fuck are you talking to? I was going mad. The girl whose yard I was at, she came from her bedroom into the living room. She was like, "Yo, what was that about?" I just went mad. You know when you just snap like that? Don't chat to me like that, really. Boom, got called into the office the next day, gone, fired. I was only there for like 4 weeks. In 2017, I had a mortality rate of 2 to 4 weeks. I would only last at a job between 2 to 4 weeks. I was just getting fired from jobs. Boom, boom, boom. Did not give a shit. The last job I got fired from, manager tried to chat shit, told him to shut his mouth. Now I got fired like 4 days later. Just no problem. I'm not a fool. You're not gonna talk to me like I'm some chief. I see these podcasts and that, and I see the host talking to the guests, kind of mad, and I'm just thinking, I'm not gonna bother going on it because I'm not gonna be able to get a sentence out because the host keeps interrupting the guests. And then the way the host is talking to the guests and that, it's just going to turn into beef. I'm not going into no one's podcast to get into beef. I want to have a chilled, relaxed time and just talk and bust jokes. That's it. I don't want to get into beef over fucking foolishness. So, yeah, man. I don't like people talk to me like I'm a damn fool.